Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Brickseek to find hidden clearance deals in stores. Brickseek is a powerful online tool that helps you discover amazing discounts by tracking inventory and price changes across many major retailers. It's perfect for uncovering those deeply discounted items that stores want to clear out. You can easily search for products using their unique identifiers, making your treasure hunt much simpler. To start your search, you'll need the product's UPC, SKU, or DPCI number. These unique identifiers are usually found on the product packaging or on the retailer's website. Some stores, like Target, use a DPCI system. If you're in a store, a barcode scanner app can quickly provide the UPC. Having this information is key to an effective Brickseek search. Once you have your product's identifier, visit Brickseek.com and enter it into the search bar. Then, select your desired retailer, such as Walmart, Target, or Lowe's. Brickseek will display local store inventory and pricing information, often showing significant price reductions. Pay close attention to these price drops, as they often signal clearance items that are ready for a new home. Remember that Brickseek's data is a guide, and in-store prices can sometimes vary. Always confirm the price by scanning the item at a store price checker. Clearance items might not always be clearly marked, so don't hesitate to ask a store associate for assistance. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to find those hidden clearance gems and save money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.